everybody, how are you? It's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and I'm so excited because today is the last day of my quarantine. Yay! I'm so excited. It's gonna be great. I'm so glad. And I didn't get sick, so that's wonderful too. So that's the first thing in my life right now that's pretty exciting. There are three things actually that are exciting today. So that's the first one. The second one is it's Willie's birthday. Oh, my little puppy is 9 years old. He is definitely not a puppy anymore. But he's doing pretty well. So I'm excited for Willie. He's had a pretty rough year, and yeah, so congratulations, Willie. You made it to 9 years. Let's see. Oh, actually, I guess there's four things. Next thing is it's finished. I finally finished the giant Hexi. I'll hold it up kind of close so you can kind of see the colors. I love that light purple against the dark purple. And I can no longer see the screen, so there it is. It's done. I finished it last night. I binge watched Downton Abbey for a while. And no, you haven't stepped back in time. I'm rewatching Downton Abbey for like the fourth time. I'm like that. I get into a book or a TV show or something like that, and if I really like it, I'll watch it more than once. Definitely more than once. I think I've read the Outlander series, like the entire book series. I think I've read it 8 times. And that's nothing new for me. I did the same thing with all of the John Jakes books, all of those series, and Larry McMurtry. I love him too. Yeah, so I just do that. I'll read the same book over and over and over again, and I do the same thing with television shows and movies. So yeah, anyway, so that's when I finished the giant Hexi while I was once again binge watching Downton Abbey. Okay, so that was, let's see, 1, quarantine ends tomorrow, 2, Willie's birthday, 3, the giant Hexi. So what could be number 4, right? What could it be? What could it be? My scarf pattern came out today. Ginger at Yarn Geek tested it for me, and there was only one correction, and that's because I said darning needle instead of tapestry needle. Thank you, Ginger. Sometimes my vocabulary escapes me. Anyway, so yeah, she tested it for me, but I wanted to show it to you a little bit up close because it's a different kind of a scarf. If you haven't seen this before, I think I showed it in one of my other videos, but I call it the Super Duper Looper scarf, and this is why. It's got like this loop in it, and the end, instead of having fringe, it's got these fun little pom-poms at the end. Puff balls? I don't know what to call them. And anyway, so it's only got one end, so you put it around your neck, and then you put the end into the loop, and then you just put it up nice and close to your neck so it's nice and cozy. But then you don't have that annoying like scarf coming off your shoulder all the time. I don't know if that happens to you, but it happens to me a lot, where, you know, I've got my purse on my shoulder and then my scarf falls off, my purse falls off, and I'm constantly trying to get myself fixed back up. So this, it just kind of stays nice and in place on your neck. So it's very easy to make. I'll hold it up again so you can kind of see how the stitches come together. And it's just V-stitches, and they're worked lengthwise. So it starts with a very long chain, but it's not a ton of rows. So I would say it takes about 3 hours to make. I know that I sold my first pattern pretty early this morning to my friend Linda, and I think she said she started it right away and it took her about 3 hours. So hers is already done. So 4 exciting, fun things for Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. So that'll be good. That'll be my last day working from home, hopefully, for a long time. I don't mind working from home, but at the same time, there's some things you can do better when you're at your job, you know, when you're at your place in your office where all of your stuff is. And, you know, you have a bigger computer to work on and, you know, the files are there. So, yeah, it's a little easier to actually work from work. But, you know, working from home is nice too. I think that's it. I don't think I've got much more. Check out Yarn Hookers on Saturday. We're going to have so much fun. This week's theme is pets because I believe this week, I'm not sure which day, is National Dress Your Pet Day. And, and it's also Willie's birthday, so that's good. And Ginger and Mel and I we adore our pets, and we know you guys adore your pets too. We all do, right? They're a big part of our lives. So we're going to do an entire episode all on pets, and so I hope that you come and watch it and enjoy chatting with everybody in the chat and with us, and we're looking forward to seeing you there. Also, if you have put in the last week, if you have put in your challenge on the Facebook group, you're going to see your picture pop up on the live as well, just like last week. That was so much fun to see everybody's work. So I really enjoyed that, and I hope you did too. And let's see, what else? I think that's it. Okay, lots going on. Trying to keep it all straight in my noodle. So anyway, yeah, Yarn Hookers. This week we are at Ginger's channel, Yarn Geek, and that is going to be 5 p.m. Saturday, Eastern Standard Time, 4 o'clock Ginger's time, which is in Kansas. So is that Central? I think that's Central Time. Yeah, so I hope to see you then. Okay guys, take care, have a great night, and I'll see you hopefully on Saturday. Okay, bye.